Well, it's about 5:30 in the morning in the middle of October. It's kind of cold. Well, it's cold for me. Us California folks are a little bit wimpy when it comes to weather. 64 degrees. I'm going to be trying to catch some catfish today, and I'm going to try something new. I have never tried punch bait, so I'm going to give that a shot today. I ordered a couple of tubs of it. I don't remember exactly what they were called, but I'll share that in the video throughout today. I've watched some YouTube videos on how to use it. Seems fairly simple. Unfortunately, I have to use a treble hook, which I don't like doing, but that's pretty much the way to go with it. So I'm going to try that with a treble hook and see how it goes. I'm going to be fishing at a pay lake where they stock weekly, or they claim to, but I've seen the videos, so it's fairly reputable. I've never really had a lot of luck in this lake, honestly, just being honest here. I fish here mostly during trout season. I've caught a few, never really caught a limit here, but others have. Maybe I'm just not as good. But I'm going to give that a shot today. I'm going to try to catch some catfish. And we'll see how it goes. I will see you there. Alright, finally got in. Got my bait in the water. It's a bit dark now. The light should be coming out soon. Let's see if we get a bite. Yeah, I've been here for about 45 minutes. Not a bite so far. And I'm seeing a lot of activity, as you can see, of little fish. So this would normally deter someone away from using something like punch bait, because you see the little fish jumping, you assume that the catfish are gonna be feeding on those. But catfish are actually known to be kind of lazy hunters, so they go for the easy prey. So my bait all the way out there probably has a better chance of getting eaten by a cat than a live bluegill or a small bass. So we're gonna keep at it. I'm gonna be here till early afternoon, so we'll see if we can get some. Been here for about 2 hours. No bites. It's very quiet. It's not just me either. There's I don't know, maybe 20 other people here, and I haven't seen any one of them getting any bites. So it's a slow day, but we'll keep at it. Again, I'm here until early afternoon. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I switched spots. This is actually a catch and release lake in the same area. And yeah, nothing was happening over there, so I'm gonna try this area, this lake here. So I just got a little one, probably a 2 to 3 pounder, but unfortunately I didn't have my camera set up. Let's see if I can get another one. Got one on the hook. Fish on, and it's pull and drag. Oh, this is a good one. It's bigger than the last one I got. Oh my god, what the hell is that? Is that even a cat? Oh yeah, it is. That's a good looking cat. There you go. Fighting. Alright, punch bait works. Punch bait works. There you go. Oh, alright. You can go back now. One's a fighter. It doesn't feel big though. This is a little guy. I don't even think I'm gonna need the net for this. There you are. Oh, not too small. Whoa, now he's peeling. I better net it. Come on. Let's get to the net, buddy. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Let's get you unhooked. Not too bad. Kind of small. That's okay. Third one of the day. So much line out here, it's not even mine. That's mine. Third one of the day. Not too big, not too small. Yeah, kind of a skinny guy. I wonder it didn't put up the best fight, but I'll take it. Alright, back to the water he goes. We have a pipe sticking out of the water with a tire on top. I'm sure this serves some kind of a purpose, but what that purpose is, I do not know. Pretty wild. So this is how this stuff works. Put the hook in, push it down, and pull it out sideways gently. That didn't look good. Let's try again. Let's try again. There we go, that looks good. You gotta pull it out at an angle so it collects more of it. Okay, out you go. Let's get us a bigger one now. That's far enough. reeling it in to check my bait, and this guy got hooked in the back, right here. Unintentional snag. That's a pretty Decent sized tilapia. Nice, huh? I'm gonna let him go. I'm gonna show you how I rig this up. So this is a simple Carolina rig. I have a 1.5 ounce sinker. I have a bead that stops the sinker from hitting the swivel. I have about a foot of leader, and I have a size 4 treble hook. And these treble hooks are to be used with this punch bait. I tried it with a single hook, just didn't work well, and the manufacturer actually recommends using a treble hook. So the treble hook worked great, and I had a lot of fun with this. This particular setup can be used, like I said, I use it for trout. Obviously, you want to use a lighter line for trout and a much smaller hook. But yeah, I use the exact same setup when I'm fishing for trout using power bait. I use a size 16 or 18 treble hook for trout, and a 2-pound leader fluorocarbon, and a 4-pound main line. And for the sinker, I use, I think, 1/16 of an ounce. I'm not sure. I don't remember, but yeah, much smaller sinker. But yeah, Carolina rig. Well, it's about 1:30 p.m. I've been here since 6 in the morning. I think I'm gonna call it a day. All in all, not bad. You know, it was a tough day. Over at the lake over there, I caught nothing, no bites whatsoever. Good thing I made the decision to move over to this particular lake. And what I like about this one is that it's catch and release only. So, and that's pretty much how I fish most of the time. I don't really keep a lot of fish. But yeah, I had a great time. You know, catching those 3 cats and yeah, snagging the tilapia. I don't want to count that. Let's do 3.5 fish. How about that? But yeah, it was great. I'm gonna pack it up. I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna get some rest, and I've got some family things to do. Got to take my kid to a football game tonight. So yeah, had a great time. Okay, I'm driving home now. Had a great time. I really did. It was a tough day. I did not expect it to be this tough. You know, the weather is a bit gloomy. It's good fishing time. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. It's 71 degrees. It was a lot colder when I got there. It was kind of drizzling. Very rare for Southern California to see some rain. But all in all, I mean, I expected fishing to be great today, but it wasn't. And I'm glad I switched lakes and was able to catch 3 cats and a half a tilapia. Yeah, I enjoyed using punch bait. First time using this type of bait, and it certainly does work. It has its challenges to keep on the hook, but I'd say probably recast every 20 minutes or so, because it does kind of dissolve in the water. You know, if you have no bites, I say reel it in, recast. Make sure you dry your hook. If it's wet, it's gonna slip off. That's it. All in all, a great time. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next adventure.